Hi, Wes Scott from Lifeback Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about the U.S. Supreme Court is supremely wrong on affirmative action and protection for LGBTQ communities. It's been disheartening to watch the U.S. Supreme Court, in my opinion, use their Christian values, which, by the way, is a violation of the U.S. Constitution because it forbids the establishment of a religion, from enacting policies that are from establishing a religion. I mean, you can't, and that's what this is doing. They're wrong on affirmative action and protections for the LGBTQ communities. Racism still exists. I mean, come on. If we're talking about if everybody's equal under the law, and historically minorities have been relegated, subjugated to and there's all kinds of studies that prove this. I mean, lower incomes, lower education, poor quality of health, whatever. And so affirmative action simply lifts this person up to an equal footing. The Supreme Court is simply wrong, and it's tragic. And it's honestly, it's morally wrong. It's spiritually wrong. It's wrong according to the Equal Protection Clause. With LGBTQ communities, it is horrifying. We are watching in real time governments, committing child abuse. You can't be who you are. Sorry. Are you kidding me right now? We have hate crime legislation in literally almost every state in this union, which forbids. It makes it the crime that is induced or triggered by hate of the heterosexual community. It enhances the penalties for that. And yet here we have the Supreme Court okaying businesses to hate particular groups. It's obnoxious. It violates the equal protection law. It will not stand. It'll be reversed because it's, again, morally wrong. It's spiritually wrong, and it's unconstitutional. We would never allow a business not to serve a black person, and you cannot enact laws or make rulings that say you don't have to do business with a member of the LGBTQ community. You just can't do that. It violates the Equal Protection Clause. And so these decisions are just supremely wrong. The firm will stand up against hate. We will promote human dignity for all groups, and especially those who've been historically marginalized. Until they have equal protection under the law and they have equal status in society. Period. Full stop. When the time is right. When you are ready to get your life back, reach out to Lifeback Law Firm. You're going to be so thankful you did, and consider hitting the subscribe button.